Hi, Tom Walls, Carbide Processors. Wanted to talk about Whiteside router bits, Whiteside bits, actually, which are Whiteside Machine Company router bits. They come in an envelope, inside the box, inside the packaging, an envelope, a tube with a cap. You open up the tube with a cap, and you get this little beauty. Solid carbide with a big, tight ball bearing. Well, properly tight ball bearing. It moves freely and beautifully. It's not loose. As the Whiteside machine just makes beautiful router bits. And I think a big part of that comes from their background as a machine shop. Whiteside Machine originally was a machine shop who got a big contract to make. I'm going to put this away. This is just too nice to have out lying around. Whiteside Machine originally got a contract to make router bodies for router bits, and they got stuck with a whole bunch of bodies that the customer didn't want anymore. So they decided to make router bits, which is pretty much an all-American story about making lemonade out of lemons. Anyway, what brings it to mind is on our brazing conveyors we use stainless steel flights, and I had some new ones built. I specified a 1/8 inch holes in them, and we got the flights and the mounting holes. The 1/8 inch holes measured about a 122, 121, and they were just small enough that the rivets, the 1/8 inch rivets, wouldn't fit in them. The rivets are a little undersized, a couple thousandths under. Anyway, so I go back to the sheet metal shop. Good shop, great people. I tell the guy, I said, I think these are a little undersized. And he brings out his caliper. His caliper is plastic, which is okay, but it measures in fractions. And he puts it in the hole and he measures it, and 1/8 shows up, 1/8. That's as tight as they get. They don't measure in thousandths. In the saw and tool industry, we measure in thousandths. In a really good machine shop like Whiteside Machine, they measure even tighter than that. So I think their background as a really precision outfit shows. It certainly shows in the quality of their tools. Repeatedly #1 for both cut quality and value by fine woodworking. And it also shows in how they do everything. The people here, my customer service people, the billing people, accounts payable, really like working with them because they're precise. They're very well organized. They know what they're doing all the way through. That's it. Just a little bit about the Whiteside Machine background. I think where you come from, it's not a determinant, but where you come from does influence who you are now. Just got a call from Bill at WD Quinn talking about how many generations his family been in the saw business, and you can certainly be excellent without that kind of a background, but I believe it helps. So that is it. Thank you. Have a good weekend.